Hello guys, welcome to another video. And today I'm going to tell you that about the checkpoint test. So the checkpoint test is a test served to test the Cambridge International classes. Cambridge International classes are classes that have the grade which is for example, the grade here. Grade is the first name of that class. Let's say the grade is 5, and then C, and then you put the CI in the middle. Stands for Cambridge International. We put them there, and the number of the class, let's say 7, okay, 5CI7. That's normally how Cambridge International classes would be like. So the checkpoint test is made to test the students in those classes. So today, I got the checkpoint test, and I'm going to tell you how the environment was like. Actually, I'm going to tell you I already told you the point now, so the next thing I'm going to tell you is the environment of the checkpoint test. The difficulty of the test paper, and my conclusion or my opinion, my personal opinion on the checkpoint test, and I'm gonna talk about if it's necessary or not. So the environment was with the checkpoint test. Holy crap! There were so many students, like a few hundred, like around 50 or 60 to be exact. I think around 50 or 60. I don't know. But yeah, there were a lot of students. Actually, let me do the math. So there are normally 7 classes, and each classes would have an average of 25 students. So 25 times, actually most of the class would have 25 students, and there are 7 Cambridge International classes in total. So 25 times 7 equals 175 students. That's a lot. So we're gonna see around 175 to 176 students taking the test. That is a lot. So there's gonna be a lot of noise, and then it's also kind of annoying because when the countdown becomes lower, around 10, they start all counting down I don't know, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yay! It's so dumb. I hate it. It's so annoying. True. It's basically it's literally how the checkpoint test was. Yeah, at the end, everyone would just be so noisy. Like a megaphone. I hate it. Next, the difficulty of the test. It wasn't the environment and the difficulty of the test didn't make the checkpoint test very intense. It wasn't that intense, to be honest. The tests weren't that hard, but the maths test, oh my god, it's so long. The science test was kind of easy. It wasn't too hard or too easy, but it's short. But for the math test, oh my god, it's so long. And plus, no wonder why a calculator is needed. I didn't bring a calculator, but I still managed to do it. Thanks to my friend Elvis. He gave me a calculator to solve that one problem where there's four multiplication, addition, division things. Yeah, it's really hard because it's really hard to do it fast, and it's also hard to get it accurately while you're doing fast because you're in a rush mood, and and the answer might not be that correct. So that's why you need a calculator. But I don't bring it, but for now, stuff. All right, conclusion. It was the checkpoint test necessary, and how did I feel taking the test? I think the checkpoint test was kind of necessary. I think it is good to test the English of students to see if they're really worthy of the Cambridge International classes. Yeah, I think it was kind of necessary. Kind of necessary, not unnecessary. Sorry. Why does that sound like unnecessary? I don't know. But anyways, I think it was kind of necessary. Just, yeah. Now, was it good? It was all right. The environment just ruins it. Seriously. And I can't take my mask off just because I wanted to breathe. It's so hard to breathe in here because oh my god. 174 other students are taking in my oxygen, and there's so much carbon dioxide anyway. I hate it. That's why it's okay. But the test paper wasn't that hard, so it wasn't like super bad, super intense, super bad. It wasn't like that. It was just like okay, like the middle right here, middle maybe slightly down, like that, like yeah. So any questions?
Good. So do you think you will pass the exam?
Yeah.
How confident?
Like this.
100%?
Nah, just 50.
What?
Yeah, just 50.
Okay.
I don't want to be overconfident.
Uh-huh.
Overconfidence can let
So what is the next target?
to pass the Vietnamese test.
When?
Oh,
Okay, good.
around like a few days later or a few weeks later.
Okay, good.
A week later.
Okay, good.
All right. So any more questions? All right. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment it down. So remember to like, subscribe, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Bye.
Bye.